Hello. So I got the TONOR robot vacuum cleaner. So let's open the pack and see how it works. So the packing is pretty much good. So we have the instruction manual. We have the screwdriver with some screws on it. We have the connector. We have the charging pad, so it should be like the robo vacuum cleaner will be here so that it will get charged using these two. And so we got the charging port here, so which we need to use this connector to charge it. And yeah, so here's the remote. So let's open and see how it is. So we need to use two AAA size batteries, and it looks good. So it has the LCD panel with something like scheduled time over here, so it should be good. Now it's the vacuum cleaner. It's good. It's not so heavy. So here is the on off button, and this is the home button to make the cleaner to go back to the home. And here is your cleaning module. So all the dust will be accumulated here so that you can clean it easily. And so here is the brushes. Brushes seems to be pretty much okay, and wheels are designed to go through any kind of bumps. So here is your charging one. So it will so when you're charging, it will go here and it will automatically start to charge. And here is your battery. So in case if the battery is gone, or if you need to replace, so you just need to replace the battery alone here. It should be pretty much easy. Okay, so build wise I feel like it's pretty much good. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I installed the charging pad here, so you can see the green LED light, and I just kept it here. And now the robo vacuum is ready, so let's see how it goes back to the charging pad first. So I'm switching on. Now it's on, and I'm just going to give home, so it should go back to the charging pad. That's wonderful, interesting. So it went back easily. And also I installed the batteries here, so it should be good to start and stop. So it just pass, and again now you can see it started spinning, and I just pressed pause. So now let me try with the home button here. So I assume like it should go back to the charging station. Neat. So let me start to charge it, vacuum the house again. It started, so it's going to charge my whole house. Good thing is, once I take the vacuum cleaner from the surface, it stops spinning, and once I place it back, it starts to spin again. So I will just show it again. So just placed it, and it started now. It stopped. So it have a great sensor, so you can see like it just started again, and within a minute it starts to stop, and again it starts by sensing the surface, which is quite cool. And it's not very big. I mean, I won't say it's very heavy to lift it. Even kid can easily hold it, and they can easily move it around. And you can see the LED, the IR sensors are located all over this place to sense it. I feel like this is overall a pretty much good one. So I'm just asking it to go back to the charging station by pressing the home button. So it should go there. Yep, done. So now it started to charge, and I feel like this is pretty much a wonderful one, which is in a price range within $200. So I believe it will obviously it will reduce my effort in vacuuming the whole house, and it should go back to the any surface, any kind of one. So even you can see like the places where it vacuum, it's pretty much clean, and it's almost like fresh, like a professional vacuum one.